Hey Nick, I'm gonna go downstairs to do my laundry if you need me. I have my favorite class at 1:35 p.m., so I have to do it now if I'm gonna be on time.
You must be talking about class with Professor Peterson. You better hurry up if you want to be on time. It's 11:30 a.m.
Don't worry, it only takes 80 minutes to do laundry. I have so much time.
Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass. Yeah, it's pretty clear. I ain't no.
Boy, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get food while my clothes wash. I forgot to put in soap. Oh man. It can't be stopped now. I'm gonna miss my lunch. Alright. Finally. Now I need someone to get my laundry out. I gotta go to class. Can you please get my laundry out when it's done? I have to go to class and I won't be here.
Sorry, I'll be in class too.
Can you please? No! Can you please?
No!
Oh. Why will no one help me?
Hey, you.
Me?
Yes, you. Do you ever wish the machines could pause on command?
Well, yes, I do.
Well, do I have a surprise for you. Machines that can pause. Brought to you by Durable Kitchen and Laundry Appliances. For only $400, these $500 washing machines can be installed in 1 week's time and help you never miss a class or appointment. Everyone's time is valuable, and as a student, you must use every minute in the day to your advantage.
Wow, mysterious voice. You're the best.